So here we go. Here's my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. So this is $138.33 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, I had an overage, a money maker of $2.65. And yes, that total, as always, includes the tax. So we got to keep it real accurate here. And so this is for the week of November 26th to December 1st, or November 26th to November 30th if you live up north. So doing this every week. First day of the sale. Today is Friday, the first day of the sale. They were closed yesterday for Thanksgiving. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the week. So I made a video a couple days ago about these deals, some of these deals, and yes, they were available today as I predicted. So, oops, I did it again. So 13, this is, let's get into the 13 best deals I got this week. I thought they were the best deals, and yeah, they were pretty good deals here. So, all right, so let's start with these Carbona carpet cleaners. So we got these ones, and we got these ones. So we got 10 total carpet cleaners, and we got 5 of each, 5 of the Oxy and 5 of the Pet cleaners. The Oxy cleaners go for $5.59 each, and if you buy 5 of them, that's $30.33. And the Pet cleaners, Oxy goes for $5.39. Pet cleaners go for $5.59 each, so that was $30.33. Pet cleaners came to $29.24, but they are BOGO this week, so that makes it good. So it makes them half price. You actually pay the higher price because I've got 5 of each. So those 10 carpet cleaners cost me $29.90. There's a hang tag hanging from them for $1 off, and I used 10 of those, so I got $10 off there. And then Ibotta had $2 off each one, so that would be $10 off of these from Ibotta, $10 off of these from Ibotta. So in total, paying $29.90, I got back $10 in coupons and $20 from Ibotta, making that a 10-cent money maker. So that's a good start right there. Mooala milk. So make sure you get the blue one here, the plant-based almond milk. These are $3.99. The other one was $4.99 for the banana milk. $3.99. So $3.99 and $3.99. They come to $7.98, but they're BOGO this week, so they come to $3.99. There is a manufacturer printable coupon, and I've got the link to print that below this video, as well as a detailed breakdown. So that's $1 off and $1 off there, and Ibotta has $1 off each one. So in total, you're paying $3.99 for both of them. You're getting $1 off and $1 off from manufacturer coupons. You're getting $1 off and $1 off from Ibotta, making it a 1-cent money maker. All right, keep going. Let's get into some new stuff. Cinnadust. These were on sale a while back, and they're in swagbucks again. So swagbucks, or maybe they never left, but I had it in swagbucks. Regular price $2.99. So for both of them, you pay $5.98. Swagbucks has 600 points back, so that's equivalent to $6. And Checkout 51 has $1 off and $1 off. So you're paying $5.98. You're getting $6 back from swagbucks. You're getting $2 back from Checkout 51. It's a $2.02 money maker. Keep going. What do we got? The Siggis plant-based coconut blend yogurt. It's by the yogurt alternative, a little down from the yogurt. So it's $1.99, and Ibotta has it for free, so you get $1.99 back, making that $0. All right, Smithfield Power Bites. Get the meat kind. I got the Western kind, but get the meat kind. I had a little problem with coupons.com, but let me get into it. It is regular price $2.99. It's on sale for $2.49. There's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off, and coupons.com, as I talked about, has $1 back from that. So you're spending $2.49, $1 off from the Publix digital coupon, $1 back from coupons.com, making that only 49 cents. Truly grass-fed butter. These are really $2.50 each, so that'd be $5, but they're BOGO, so it's $2.50 total. And there's a manufacturer printable for $1 off each one. So I have the link to print that below. So it'd be only 50 cents. Pay $2.50. Use 2 coupons for $1 off. $1 off comes only 50 cents for those. All right, JUST egg. So this is some sort of made from plants, not chickens, egg mixture, and it was in the dairy section. So this is a regular price for $4.79, and there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. Coupons.com has $1.50 off, and Ibotta has $1 off. So you pay $4.79, you get $1 off from the Publix digital coupon. You get $1.50 back from Coupons.com, and $1 back from Ibotta. You're only paying $1.29. And so Muscle Milk. So these are $3.49. And this Publix digital coupon for a free one, so it takes $3.49 off, 0 for that. And let's keep going. Let's see what else. I talked about some of these last week. Rice Roni back again. It just is always there, and it's regularly $2.29, so you pay $4.58 for both of them. However, they're on sale for 2 for $3 still, and it's Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off of 2. So, and there is Ibotta has 40 cents off each one, and then you submit to Stocking Spree, and it's roughly about 60 cents you'll get from Stocking Spree once you reach their threshold of 50 points. But anyways, so that's a 40-cent overage right there. Jove water's regularly $2.49. It's on sale this week for 3 for $5, so it comes to $1.67 for it. And there's $1 off printable. I have the link of that below, or you can use $1 off Publix digital coupon. And Ibotta has $1.25 off, so they made a 58-cent moneymaker. You buy Kotex, so these are regular price $3.79, come to $7.58, and there is $2 off. There's a $1 off manufacturer printable. I got the link for that below, so that takes $2 off. There's a store coupon, $4 off at 2. That takes $4 off. Ibotta has $1 off each one, or sometimes 50 cents off each one. And Coupons.com has $1 off, so you have a $1.42 overage moneymaker on those two. You buy Kotex. All right, keep it going. Got a couple more Ragu. These are still came back in checkout 51, so that was good. These are regular price here, $1.99 and plus $1.99 came to $3.98 for them. Swagbucks gives you 400 points, equivalent to $4. And checkout 51 has 67 cents back on each one, so that's $1.34. And there's a manufacturer coupon from the Save 1114, 50 cents off. And 50 cents off each one, so that's another $1 off. So you spend $3.98 for both of them. You get $4 back from Swagbucks, $1.34 back from checkout 51, and $1 in coupons. So it makes it a $2.36 money maker. And last deal, these were back again. Yes, it came back in Ibotta that quick. These are the Splenda Brown Sugar Blend. So they are $4.99 each. So you'd pay for 4 of them, you'd pay $19.96. However, they are on sale for $4.49, and you use $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons from the 1114 Save. That takes $8 off. And you use $2 off of Ibotta rebate, takes another $8 back. So $4.49 times 4 came to $17.96, and you get $8 off from your coupons from the 1114 Save, and you get $8 back from Ibotta, making that only $1.96. So once again, I did it. This was what's my total here? I'm sorry, I gotta go down there and get my list here. So my total, $138.33 and a $2.65 overage. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there, and check out my other paid to shop videos. Doing this every week, so help me out and subscribe to my channel. Get these deals, turn your notification on, you get these deals right away. Go out and do them that day.